Hi everyone, I'd just like to say a thank you to Lorraine from Digital Business Ireland for inviting me to speak today on a really important topic around the importance of a digital innovation culture. And hopefully this will help with setting the scene for the wider theme around online optimization. My name is Teo Baker. I'm Head of Digital Innovation at Permanent TSB, and I'm absolutely delighted to be sharing with you the importance of a digital innovation culture. One of the key themes we need to talk about is why we need to pay attention to culture. And culture is one of the most frequently mentioned obstacles to going digital and balancing risks. And in today's world, the way your team works today is no longer relevant given the changing needs and behaviors of consumers, technology, and the impacts of COVID-19. Some of the key fundamental questions that one needs to be asking of teams today is, what do your customers think about your brand today? How do they view your brand against competitors? Are you attracting the right talent for your business? And is your business still very paper-based or word of mouth? Do your colleagues complain about processes or things not working or taking too long? And do you see value in encouraging networking, attending conferences, and for your colleagues and staff members to learn new skills? Well, all of the above is about defining a company's culture and its appetite for change. It's also the foundation for creating a winning and collaborative internal mindset amongst colleagues. Now, what is also important is why digital innovation is key to your company's future success. And as you can see from the image on the screen, customers' needs and behaviors have fundamentally changed. We are all connected, and it astounded me to realize that 4.57 billion people are active internet users. 2/3 of the world's population are now connected to mobile devices. So what does that mean for companies and businesses? It means that we have to adopt and offer digital capabilities at a faster rate than our competitors. It means digital innovation platforms need to be rapidly expanding to meet the needs of your businesses. Now, what is the role of digital innovation? And for me, it's fundamentally around three key topics, which is customers, company, and brand. And around customers, it's very much about understanding your customers and the channels that they choose. Around company, it's about being an employee-centric organization. And with brand, it's very much around enabling your target customers to engage with your brand. And I'll be discussing this further to help you understand how these three key themes fit into the role of digital innovation. So understanding and helping your customers. So this is really key to innovation, and it's very much around regular feedback. And that can be quarterly feedback. Considering the impact of COVID, it's virtual feedback. We don't actually need to be in front of our customers to ask for feedback. It's about really understanding the shifts in your customers' behavior and using free tools and other digital tools such as SurveyMonkey, online questionnaire, creating websites that are engaging. And there are plenty of free online tools to actually help small businesses become more digital and help you actually understand and engage with your customers. Analyzing feedback and making incremental changes is absolutely fundamental. And how you use digital technology to deliver digital capabilities and help your customers. In terms of company, you need to ask yourself, are you embracing innovation in your business? Are you making use of online events, free webinars, and are you supporting local fintechs, especially the local fintechs in Ireland? And are you exploring, experimenting, and iterating around digital sales? Digital is something we cannot avoid today. So it is really recommended that as a company, you are using mobile apps, you're embracing new payment technologies, you're supporting graduates and leveraging their skills, and you're forming partnerships with universities and colleges. And these last 2 points are actually very key for your company's success, and something that we at Permanent TSB feel very strongly about. Graduates have this great new mindset. They're keen to embrace digital. So if you're a small SME out there, why not offer some work experience for graduates? Why not leverage their skills and their ideas? And why not form partnerships with universities and colleges across Ireland to see how they can help you and your business? Your brand is your organization's most powerful tool. And we strongly believe that at Permanent TSB. Brands are evolving, and evolving your brand to stay relevant is very important in today's digital age, as well as to increase innovation in your organization. And it's not simply about the brand logo and values. Loads of brands have amazing values and logos, but it's taking that even further. It's creating a consistent brand and customer experience across all your digital touch points and channels. It's about merging offline and online to being totally customer centric. It's not about adapting solutions to your current company problems, which I think a lot of companies out there do. And it's not about having a lack of digital, but being able to have staff who can support you on a difficult customer journey. And a strong brand creates loyal customers and employees. And at the end of the day, if you're a small SME in Ireland, you want to keep your staff, you want to keep your most valued staff, and you want to attract the right employees, and evolving your brand will definitely do this. Now, here is a key framework for creating the foundation for digital innovation culture. It's something that I've personally created from all my years of experience and working across multiple geographies. And this is very much saying that there's 2 elements to creating the foundation for a digital innovation culture. It's very much around customers. And at the end of the day, we definitely want loyal customers. We almost want raving fans, and we want to create a community of raving fans. And in terms of our organization, we want to be a customer-centric organization, because at the end of the day, we are serving our customers. And it's important when we're starting and looking at digital innovation and creating this culture, it's understanding, where are we on this? Where are we on this framework? Are we delivering on the basic needs? Have we got that absolutely right? Or are we jumping to self-service and not getting the basics right? So this is a framework to challenge you and say, where are you and what do you need to actually get to creating a loyal enthusiast? For the customer-centric organization, it's about thinking around our operational costs. How can we simplify and reduce costs? How can we increase our revenue and sales growth? Something that's so key to us right now in this disruptive environment. How can we create strategic differentiation? And the most important is, how do we create loyalty, but by not forgetting about if we're in a regulated industry, the regulator, if we're selling a product that's regulated, not forgetting our employee experience, and not forgetting our investors. And if we start looking at this really holistically, then we're on the right step for creating the foundation for digital innovation culture, which will lead to your success. And this is something we're fundamentally looking at Permanent TSB as we go on our journey to help businesses in Ireland. So this brings brings me very much to the role of Permanent TSB in helping our communities and our SMEs. And a key message I want to deliver is, Permanent TSB, we want to be with you every step of the way. And we are creating a digital innovation culture within the bank that is going to embrace diversity. And we want to help and support our wider communities. We want to be your trusted partner. We want to understand how we can support you as our SMEs in this changing environment. And we'd like to very much collaborate and co-create with our communities and SMEs. And it's something that I feel very strongly about as well, is collaborating with you, understanding your needs and how we can help you, and together create a solution that absolutely works for you and makes you successful. So what does this mean for organizations? Well, this is about mobilizing around your customers' needs and their choice of channels. It's about constantly reshaping your interactions and continuously digitizing processes. And for those small SMEs, this does not need to be something that's scary. You can just chip away at it step by step. It's about adapting your company culture. I'm sure that where your company culture was about a year ago is fundamentally different to where it is today. It's about rewiring your company to provide that great customer experiences and engaging more frequently on your strategy to respond in an agile manner. And it's also about adapting the executives and board to the digital age. And this is fundamental. You have to take your executives and the board with you on this journey if you would like to be successful. And I have a very good quote that I love mentioning. If it's not broken, then definitely fix it. And I'd like to thank you very much for your time, and to end that, your customer and staff experience is an evolving journey that impacts innovation. So please feel free to reach out to me on my mobile number or my email address. I'd be more than delighted to work with you, hear your feedback, and help grow an ecosystem to create a better digital business in Ireland. Thank you very much.